Okay guys, we're back. As you know from the beginning of this video, I am trying to make stamps to go with these using this craft foam. I decided to use pink because you can see it better, and this has a sticky thing on it, but I still used this foam poster board glue from the Dollar Tree. So anyway, I cut them out. You could still use these for stencils, by the way, and look over my inky fingers. There's going to be more. Okay, to be the regular shaped. Say for instance, like when you're cutting it, you got to put it down. And this is just like regular, meaning when you stamp it, it's going to just be a stamp, right? Now this one, you have to cut it from the other side, which makes it a matching die. Therefore, when you cut it, you could stamp it, and it's going to match up. It's going to look this way. I hope I can explain this right. See, when I put it on this like this, it don't match. Because when I stamp it, okay, so you cut it out and you got your cut, and then you take this matching one and you stamp it, it's going to line up right. Where if you use the regular one, it would be off. It would not be right. They might look the same, but they're not. I hope I'm explaining that right. Anyway, this one had these little things, as I showed you in the pictures. And I tried to put extra glue up under them to keep them up in the air. I hope you can see that. Right there. Anyway, we're going to try to stamp them and see what they look like. And I did do the regular on this one too. We're going to try both of them and see if they look any different at all. So this is, and I marked on the back of them so I know which is which. This is just the regular stamp. So we're going to try to stamp it and see if it does anything at all. Okay, so here we go. Looks pretty good for a homemade stamp. Now we're going to do the matching. So if you see, I've already got ink on the back of it. So if you want to make stamps with your die cuts, because you don't have a matching one, then you know you can now. Okay, let's see what it looks like. And that one didn't turn out too good. I don't want to try to line it up because I sure can't see it. Maybe I didn't press hard enough. Yeah? I think the first one looked better. So this is the regular one, and this is the reversed one, which is the matching. So that is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoy this little semi-tutorial on how to make stamps and matching stamps from a die cut. Go check out all those links in my description box down below. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there, everyone. Bye. Halloween dies, I wanted to show you what they look like cut out.